Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And I thought I would do a quick video. I had a couple of people ask me a question about the Gear Sport and if it was getting the update or not to Tizen 4.0.0.2. I didn't know at the time, I do now, and I could tell you people that the update came through. I haven't downloaded it yet. We are still on Tizen 3.0.0.2. And yes, this is going to be a nice build. So check. I don't know what region it's going to come to first. I do know that it's coming to Canada and the US. I don't know about any other countries at this time. I will keep you all posted as to when it may come to other countries. Okay, so I do want to show you the build number. Let me go ahead and drop the screen down. I'm going to go to settings, going to go all the way down to about gear. I hate this S voice. I hate it with a passion. Software information, and this is the version we're on right now. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, we're going to download this. We want to make this a quick video. We just want to give you an idea as to what it's going to look like, you know, what refresh that it's going to have for this smartwatch. Pause the video. I am going to go download this right now. Okay, you all, we're all updated and looking good. We're updated to 4.0 Tizen. And you're going to see some differences. Not a lot, but enough. Enough to say, hey, yeah, I got a new watch. Not bad at all, right? And let's go into the settings. And we're going to take a look at the build, well, the new version. Go to About Watch. And then we're going to go to Software just to show you we're on Tizen 4.0.0.2. Again, I don't know what region it's going to get it first, but I do know it's coming to Canada and it's also coming to the US. Cool. All right, so let's go into the watch because you can see that there's a difference in how the setting looks, which is pretty cool. I like the way they categorize the information. Some of it can be redundant because they're in a couple of places. Some are in a few places as well. But you didn't have advanced mode, right? So you go in here, you got your S voice, your wake up gesture, bezel. Everything is here that you need. Theater mode, good night mode is here as well. Edit your quick panel. Everything you need is right here. This is not a bad refresh. I like it because I've had the Galaxy Watch, so it does look good, but that's it. That is the update. Now look out for the notification when it comes so you can go ahead and download it. But if you want to check manually, you can. All you got to do is go into your Gear app, go all the way down till you see About Watch, and then look for Update Watch Software, and you're in. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.